Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your system. Create a restore point and backup key files so you can recover if needed. Once done, open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell and stop WUSERV and USO SVC. This prevents new writes while you work. Make sure to set the Windows Update Service startup type to manual or disabled temporarily. These steps pause the updater and keep files stable. You're now ready to remove installed update packages without the updater interfering. You'll identify targets first. Run wmic QFE list brief or PowerShell get hotfix to get KB numbers and install dates so you can prioritize. Then uninstall each update by KB using wusa/uninstall/KB, ## for simple cases, or use dism/image, c, // remove package/package name, for component store level removals when WUSA fails. Once uninstalled, clean the WinSXS store with dism/cleanup image, /start component cleanup, or /restore health to reclaim space and avoid partial remnants that might trigger reinstallation. Finish by restarting the services and verifying system stability. Set Windows Update to manual or automatic as appropriate, then reboot. After that, inspect Windows Update history and event viewer to confirm the KBs are gone and no new errors appeared. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Boot to safe mode, run system restore to your earlier point, or perform a repair install. These recover the system without wiping your data. Keep one troubleshooting tip. If removal fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.